Yes, bana, mambo vipi? Karibu tena katika channel yetu ya Feaboy TZ. Ni channel ambayo utajifunza mambo mbalimbali ikiwemo jinsi ya kuweza kutengeneza pesa kupitia njia ya mtandao. Basi leo bila kupoteza muda tutaenda kujifunza jinsi ya kuweza kutengeneza pesa kupitia Shutterstock. Okay? Shutterstock ni website ambayo unaweza ukatengeneza pesa na kwa kufanya task ndogo sana. Kama jinsi unavyoona kwenye site hii, utapata fresh na high quality content for every creative. Access all the image, videos, music and tools you need to turn ideas into achievement. Kwa kama sehemu hii utasearch, utaimagine chochote ambacho unakitaka, then uta create au uta generate. Kama ni image, kama jinsi unavyoona kuna image, kuna photo, kuna vector, illustration, AI generate, editorial image, editorial video, music, sound effect, templates, artificial intelligence generator, search by image. Okay, kama hivyo kwa uta search chochote hapa, for instance thumbnail, then search. Just wait. Kwa ukisearch thumbnail kama jinsi unavyoona sasa imekuja hapo, thumbnail royalty free image kama jinsi unavyoona hizo hapo, that one. Kuna computing device and phones, tablet, computer, smartphone. Ta search kwenye smartphone. As you see here, smartphone thumbnail. Kwa kutengeneza thumbnail hapo inakuwa hizi, unazichukua hizi za phone kama hizi. Okay, thumbnail like this. As you see, hizo ni thumbnail ambazo ni kwenye simu, lakini pia ukisearch kwenye kompyuta zipo. Kwa hiyo tuangalie sehemu iliyoandikwa generate. How to generate these thumbnails. Artificial intelligence image generator, creative stunning visual instant. Okay, describe the image and art style you have in your mind. Kwa uta generate mwenyewe hapo kwa jinsi unavyotaka. Then catalog a home for all your assets. Save, organize and share content for your creative project without jumping between platforms. Keep track of your asset so you can find what you need when you need it. Already have an account, uta login kama una account, lakini sasa I will show you how to create start a collection. Getting started, introducing insight. I'll show you how to get started or how to create a free account. Then click here, create a free account. After then, just wait. Account Shutterstock. Enter your email. This. Enter your password. Then after enter your password, click get started. Then you can save your password again. Then click I'm not a robot. Then click get started. After that, your catalog. So now I am in collection. You don't have any collection yet. Upload, you don't have any upload yet. Download, share with you, design, centralize, organize, share your content, upload your content, or explore, that one, image and videos. Language, this English. We have more than here image in December. Okay, then let's see about predict. Predict, start a design with predict. Create a performance social with artificial intelligence. Cost instantly. Creating content that drives click is harder than ever. Predict design. Start a design with predict. So how to start this? Resolution not supported, the page you are trying. Okay, go back. Let's see this plan. So you can create your thumbnail. Unaweza ukatengeneza picha hapa ukaedit vizuri na ukaenda kuiposti, lakini pia vile vile unaweza ukaiposti hapa your plan. Menu there is image. Kwa hiyo kuna image, unaweza ukatengeneza image, video, music, template, editorial, 3D models, creative flow, blog, enterprise, precise. Then let's see, maybe music home, premium beat, this one. Okay, punch up your soundtrack with the perfect sound effect. So you can create your sound effect, search for sound effect, see what's trending now. For instance, this one. Okay, then just come here home. Kwa hiyo unaweza ukatengeneza akaunti yako kwenye site hii, ukaweza kutengeneza music, ukatengeneza video, ukatengeneza na ukaenda kuposti kwenye channel yako au kwenye blog, then you can still make money from your account details, collection, download. Okay, account details. You can check your account details here. Name, user ID, username, password, email preference, design inspiration. You can set this, all this you can set. Then if you want to delete your account, you can also delete. Kwa hiyo usahau kusubscribe, kulike na comment kwenye channel yetu.